Welcome to this video for installing power analysis software, PAS. We recommend to remove any USB cables connected from your computer during the installation of PAS. Go to SATEC Australia's website. Here, use the Downloads menu and select Power Analysis Software. Here, you'll find multiple files for downloading. First, the initial installation file and then the update file, which we will need later. The installation instruction manual, as well as the PAS Getting Started guide, are also available to download. Select the link to download the installation folder to the Downloads folder on your computer. To access it, go to the Downloads folder, then locate the compressed zip folder. Now select and extract all files from the compressed zip folder. In this example, we extract the files to Downloads PAS 1.5 Build 5 Setup folder. Navigate to this folder, go to the Setup application and perform a right-click and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, select Yes to initiate installation of SATEC's Power Analysis software. Click Next. The software will install in the default C drive directory on your computer. Click Next. Now we will install PAS in non-protected mode. This mode does not require a password each time PAS is used. Once PAS has been successfully installed, close the window. The next step is to download the update file to the Downloads folder. Select the link to download the update file. Downloads menu, and find the update folder. Next, copy and paste the new PAS application update file to the C directory PAS folder. Overwrite or replace the previous file in the folder. Finally, to open PAS for the first time, perform a right-click on the PAS application file and choose Run as Administrator. Should this prompt screen be shown, select More Info and Run Anyway. An option is available for selecting Always Run as Administrator if required. This is generally controlled by your administration user permissions from your computer or organization. Select Yes to initiate the Power Analysis software installation. We recommend a couple of initial steps when using the software. Select View Site Tree, which gives you a palette to create, and select different SATEC meters known as sites. Next, select Tools options and then Preferences to change the date and month order or the particular region order that you require. For Australia, DMY for day, month, year formatting. Now close PAS. Select Yes to close the software. We look forward to supporting you in your journey with SATEC.